Call up Nick Cannon and bring the cannon out. Get it wordplay on Nick Cannon's name. Because yourself Nick Cannon. The man a wordplay for your name. There's nothing you can do about it. Know yourself. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving you another reaction. You don't know my style already. Full of energy, enough energy. Guys, if you're not following me on the socials are here. Follow me on them, please. Twitch, Instagram, follow me on them, guys. Follow me on them. You don't know the thing, go, because I do stream and go to One Bag of Madness. Also, my gaming channel is up there as well. We're going to One Bag of Madness over there also. So, make sure you stay over there so I get some more entertainment as well. Alright? So, today, guys, we are reacting to Yxng Bane, Nafe Smallz, Huncho again. Big up yourself, Huncho. Dancing on Ice. What a song. Blood clap. I don't know how I'm going so. When I waste the time, I'm going to just jump shit. Let's go. I'm just hoping, say, I did get that guy the name right. Nafe. I know Nafe Smallz. I'm just hoping I got his name right. Big up yourself, G. If we get it wrong, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go.
I got something lost. I spent one now. I feel like I can dance.
All right, the subtitle down below will help me a lot. If it stick to everything, that will help me a lot. I just built one and I feel like I can. Okay.
Yeah, she just texts me, come. Yeah, she and my text her back. Oh, that's what's up.
She just text me come. She just text me forward over. Let's go. I got a free yard. My man is not here. He's gone to work. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's how the girl text him and tell him, said, not me, of course. Don't say that. Not me.
Yeah. Ooh, I keep it clean. Diamonds in the shit like it's ice cream. Holding down the team.
Yo, I'm so impressed with the UK scene, dog. The man drop some bumbo clap banger, brother. Some banger. I know anytime the club them open back up in the UK, it's gonna be a crazy vibe, brother. It's gonna be a crazy vibe, and a lot of people is itching to go out. Itching to go out, brother. Let's go.
Shooting from the hip, ain't got no beam. I make a straight go out of that, make her go south pole for the side.
Oh gosh. Drink some water and relax yourself. She's at her friends for the night. I'm just reading the subtitles. Sorry guys.
Friends for the night, told her mama line, nice fine. I was in the sea, she keep it classy, so I let her ride it.
I was in the sea, she keep it classy, so I make sure ride it.
Quincy, she said dumb boys outside, so I'm hiding. Can we some main men, they just wanna see us on the pavement.
Are these guys American? Because them have the American flow there with them. If I'm wrong, like not these guys. This guy that's singing now, is he American?
Straight 10, she gon' pull up on me at the same way. Rolling loud, smoking treated, girl, she got me zoning out.
Yo, that song about your fuck. Like yo, that song is you have to dance. If you're not dance, something wrong with you. If you're not dance, you cannot hear this song.
Mix it with that shit that got me slowing down. Came down, I ain't no McGregor, I ain't tapping out.
Everyone chasing. The man said, listen, I ain't no McGregor, I'm not gonna tap out. I'm not no McGregor, I'm not gonna tap out, bro. I'm in this to win. Let's go.
Calling up Nick Cannon, bring the cannon outside.
We call up Nick Cannon? I'm not McGregor.
I ain't tapping out. How they know? Calling up Nick Cannon, bring the cannon outside.
Call up Nick Cannon and bring the cannon out. Get it wordplay on Nick Cannon's name. Because yourself Nick Cannon. The man a wordplay for your name. There's nothing you can do about it. Know yourself.
Tired of all the bullshit, I ain't signing up, patting up. I can't tell you twice, you better buy something.
Yo, these collabs, man, the unity in the UK music is great. These collabs, man.
I spent one now, I feel like I can dance. She just texts me, come.
Yeah. You know when you're a man, I get the home sometime and I do not, I'm bored. I get the one text to say come. You drop everything where you do. You watch anything where you do that is important. You drop it. If you don't have no petrol in your car, you still chance it go over yard. You not stop at the petrol station just in case you take and say, oh, don't bother, I'm going to my bed. Nope, I'm forwarding.
See, and my text back, oh, that's what's up. Ooh, I keep it clean.
Oh. Let's go again.
Like it's ice cream. Holding down the team. Shooting from the hip, ain't got no beam.
Yo, the vibe. This video is a whole vibe itself, dog.
Switch left, curry where bees, there's honeys. I'm a rucksack heavy, got some homework ready.
Where there's bees, there's honey. Bees make honey. Where there's bee, there's money. So basically, where there's bee, there's honey, not money. So basically, he might tell us that anywhere the money they him there too. Yeah, he's going in, bro.
One hand on the wheel, the others holding smoke. Can't take this indictment to my fucking home.
One hand on the wheel, next one I hold the smoke. I can't take this. Yo, this youth when him Mantra is dangerous. He's dangerous. He's very dangerous. Watch him. Lyrically dangerous. It might sound simple, but if you're pretty deep, it's dangerous.
Okay, on the time, I don't waste mine. Slide by, pull up on her and hit like a drive-by.
I'm probably sure this guy is British. I don't know, but him sound American to me. Explain to me, guys, where him come from? Where him come from?
Time, never turning my back on my own slime. Fuck the hoe in my trap house, she Snow White.
Guys, tell me that you don't like this track. Just tell me that you don't like this track. Just tell me that. Tell me that if you don't like the track, tell me why you don't like the track. Because there's no reason not to like the track, dog.
These trousers cost me a bag. I don't even know the brand. I was in the 6 like Pogba shopping with an EA glam.
I was in the stick like he was in what?
Slime, fuck the hoe in my trap house, she Snow White.
Fuck the hoes in my trap house, she's Snow White. Okay, alright.
These trousers cost me a bag. I don't even know the brand. I was in the 6 like Pogba shop.
Okay. I was in the 6 like Pogba. Okay, I'm going to say sticks. Because I say sticks are the house them out in the countryside. In England, them call it sticks. But him say 6, not sticks.
With an EA glam. Prezi discontinued, but I'll bust it, go do Donald fam. I just bought some smoke from Dam. I'm too fat, bitch, I'll never something.
I just bought some smoke from Dam. Obviously, Dam close to England, so that's why England can say, yo, them just buy some smoke from Dam. Because Dam known for the weed. But you know, say, the baddest weed them, they are Jamaica. Yeah, they didn't come at Jamaica for the bad weed them, G. Let's go.
I spit one now, I feel like I can dance. She just texts me, come.
Yo, the chorus just get me. The chorus just get me.
And my text back, oh, that's what's up.
Ooh, I keep it clean. Yeah.
Oh, I keep it clean. Yo, you just flicky with it, dog. Yo. I like the unity, dog. I like the unity in the music, brother. That is what will sell your music also, guys. The unity in our music, my G. I love it.
Like it's ice cream. Holding down the team. Shooting from the hip, ain't got no beam.
Shoot it from the hip, ain't got no beam. I'm not know what, but can I beam? Laser beam, you mean? Shoot it from the hip, I'm not no beam.
Hip ain't got no motherfucking beam, dog.
Great video. Great song. Yo, I be a banger me react to from there. If you notice, guys, me not react to no idiot song. Cause if me react to an idiot song, I say, yo, this is a big idiot song. Start out on the song. But this is a good song. Me cannot argue, me cannot find no fault with the song, them, brother. And I'm glad because me don't want an artist hate me. Even though me think Stormzy a pre me a little bit cause you don't know because of the Stormzy and Chip situation. But Stormzy knows your music. Stormzy know what me I do. Stormzy know. You see me? I know me alone I call out Stormzy for reply, but this is not about Stormzy. This is about Yxng Bane, Nafe Smallz, big up yourself sorry if I get it wrong, and Huncho. Huncho go on to Huncho deal it wicked over here. So guys, if you don't like the video, I want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Please guys, just subscribe and hit the like button. Subscribe. Hit the like button. You know what I mean? Yeah, subscribe and hit the like button for me. Me like it. Alright, guys? And follow me socials with up here so. Alright? So I will see you guys in the next one. Alright? Peace out.